Hello new Fazbear employee, and welcome to the mascot costume repair training video. The purpose of this tape is to instruct new employees on how to properly repair an animatronic character upon technical failure. Let us begin. To begin the repair process, start by removing the animatronic's ears, upper jaw, and lower jaw. If done correctly, the animatronic's endoskeleton head should now be visible. Let's start by locating common failure points throughout the head. The first failure point is the back coaxial cables, located behind the endoskeleton head. This is the most common failure point throughout the whole mascot character, as the cables break very easily when the animatronic head is in use. There are 4 cables in total, however the animatronic only needs 3 to function. To repair this system, simply disconnect the broken cable from the endoskeleton head and insert a repair.
Have you seen the well-to-do up on Lenox Avenue, on that famous thoroughfare where they
The next, and last known failure point in the head is the jaw. The jaw system uses a special lubricant to function smoothly. However, this needs constant monitoring, as jaw lubricant will slowly degrade over time. To reapply jaw lubricant, detach the gear rotor, as well as the gear scaffold. Apply the lubricant evenly throughout the gear shaft, and then reattach the gear scaffold and gear rotor. Once a successful repair has been finished, reattach the lower jaw, upper jaw, and ears to the animatronic character. The next, and hardest system zone to repair is the chest. To start repairs on the chest, we must first detach the arms from the main body. To detach the arms, you must remove the mascot's gloves, lower arm pieces, and upper arm pieces. Next, push down firmly on the endoskeleton shoulders to engage the release valve. After that, rotate the shoulder rotor to detach chest stabilizers. Once you've done that, you can finally remove the chest.
Warning. Facility temperature at 50 degrees Celsius. Please decrease core temperatures. Immediate.
Once you've reattached the body to the endoskeleton, and have successfully resecured the stabilizer clamps, we can go on to our next system zone to repair. The next system zone is the arms. The arm system fails very infrequently and should only be checked once a month for maintenance. The first failure point in the arms is the joints. Similar to the jaw, the joints require a special lubricant to function properly. To re-lubricate the joints, first detach the stabilization rods. The stabilization rods are extremely hard to detach and may require 2 employees. Once the stabilization rods have been detached, you may then detach the outer plastic shell. Apply the lubricant very evenly throughout the joint before reattaching the outer plastic shell. Do not reattach the stabilization rods, as they are our next failure point. The stabilization rods will slowly crack over time, as animatronic arm movement puts a lot of stress onto the stabilization rods. If you notice any cracks or bending in the stabilization rods, insert a replacement rather than reattaching the previous stabilization rod. Failure to do so may result in an arm malfunction on stage, which will be taken out of your paycheck before you can reattach the arms to the main body. There are a certain amount of steps you must take. You must first rotate shoulder rotors 180 degrees counterclockwise to reset the release valves. Next, to make sure the animatronic functions properly, you must remove Thank you for completing this employee training tape. And remember, at Fazbear Entertainment, we prioritize safety above all else. Welcome to the Fazbear family, employee. We are glad you chose us for your new